Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, student, in our previous video, we are discussing the book exercises of the chapter 12. Okay, we have completed question number A, that is tick the correct answer. It means these are MCQ questions. Some one question is given, and for the same question there are 4 options are given, and we have to choose the right option. Now student, today after that we have discussed match the second question number B, match the following, and we have completed 2 matches, that is glacier, the moving sheet of ice, and second is what is Himachal famous for valleys and hill stations. Okay, 2 options we have completed: glaciers, moving sheet of ice, and Himachal famous for valleys and hill station. So today student, we will start with the third question of the match the column. So please, at the time when you are watching the video, take out your book, open page number 80, and with the help of your pen you can note down the answer in the book. So you have to complete all the book exercises in the book, and question answers you will write in your classwork copy, and the question answer you will write in your classwork copy. So student, let's start with the third match the column. Third match the column is given Shivalik. Okay, third match the column is given Shivalik. So what is the right Shivalik? What is the Shivalik? When I explain you Himalayan range, at that time there are 3 parallel ranges of Himalayas: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Is it clear? So student, what are Shivalik? These are the home to many wild animals. Is it clear? Because in this region of the Himalayas you will find thick forest, and many wild animals are found in this region. ठीक है, बहुत से वाइल्ड एनिमल इस रीजन में है, एरिया में है, बिकॉज यहाँ थिक फॉरेस्ट है शिवालिक रेंज में. ठीक है, सो थर्ड वन, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 शिवालिक, एंड आंसर इज होम टू मेनी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. होम टू many wild animals. Home to many wild animal. Wild means जंगली जानवर जो फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, जंगल्स में रहते हैं. आपको पता है ना, some animals are also living with us. That category of animal is known as domestic animal, जिसे हमने पालतू बना लिया. ठीक है, टेम करके, वश में करके, तो दैट इज डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. बट दिस कैटेगरी इज वाइल्ड एनिमल, मीन्स जंगली जानवर, एंड दीज आर फाउंड इन द फॉरेस्ट. सो नाउ फोर्थ ऑप्शन, हिमाद्री. व्हाट इज हिमाद्री? आप लोग को नेम से भी समझ में आ गया होगा. When I explained you mountains, Himalayas range, at that time I told you about Himadri. Himadri is the also known as Greater Himalayas, because the height of the mountains found in this area, average height is 6,000 meter. बहुत बड़े बड़े पहाड़ हैं इस रेंज में. Is it clear? So what is Himadri? The right answer is the highest range of the Himalayas. Himadri is the the highest range. Himadri is the highest range of Himalayas. Is it clear? Note down. Himadri is the highest range of the Himalayas. Now next, fifth question, Naga and Kasi. So these mountains are, these are is which side? Eastern hills of the Himalayas. These are eastern hills of the Himalayas. Eastern hills of the Himalayas. So student, we have completed match the column of this chapter. Now let's start with the true and false of the chapter. Okay, I give you few seconds to note down this from the board. In front of the numbers I have written their answers. Is it clear? I have not written A side. Directly answer 3, 4, 5. What are the right options? That right options I have written 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? For example, option number 3, Shivalik, home to many wild animals. Okay. After that, fourth option, Himadri, the highest range of Himalayas. And then Naga and Kasi, this is the eastern hills of the Himalayas. Eastern hills of the Himalayas. So note down. Now let's start with true and false of the chapter. First one, question number C. First question is, the Himachal range has no tree. The Himachal range has no trees. So question is, student, the Himachal range, I explained you already. When we are talking about the Himalayas range, there are three parallel ranges, that is Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. So Himachal is very famous for their valleys and hill stations, and the range in which we do not found a tree. Why? That the reason is that the whole year that mountains are completely covered with the layer of snow, with the layer of snow. And that is which range? That is Himadri range, the greater mountains, Himadri range. It is given the Himachal range has no trees. So this is false. So this is false. Is it clear? So because Himadri range has no tree, because all the time mountains are covered with a layer of snow. वहां हमेशा पहाड़ किससे कवर रहते हैं? स्नो से. Is it clear? So that is the reason in this question it is given that Himachal range has no tree. So that is the reason this is false. That is the reason this is false. Now next, the Himalayas are very useful to us. Second, the Himalayas are very useful to us. So student, when I explained you about Himalayan range in the last, we discussed the importance of Himalayas. What are Himalayas? These are natural boundaries which are saving us from other countries also, and it also stop the cold wind coming from northern Asia. It is already given in the when we are talking about the importance of a Himalayas. Okay, they prevent the cold biting winds coming from northern Asia. Is it clear? And even see student, these Himalayas, Himadri range, this range is covered with snow. So many of the rivers are many rivers origin from these ranges, that is here Himalayan range. And there are lot of trees. We get wood from where? Trees. And there are many medicinal plants are also found in this range. Is it clear? And animals also found in this range. So the Himalayas are very useful to us. Yes student, this is true. Himalayas are very useful to us. Second option. Now see student, question number 3. The highest peak in India is Mount Everest. Question number 3. The highest peak in India is Mount Everest. So what is the answer student? The highest peak. Yes, it is true that Himalayas range की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो Himalayas range की सबसे highest peak जो है that is Mount Everest. It is true. That is true. The highest peak, सबसे ऊंची चोटी जो Himalayan range की है वो Mount Everest ही है. But when we discuss Himalayan range in our country, then it start from Jammu and Kashmir, then in Himachal Pradesh, then Uttarakhand, and after that the Himalayas range enter in which country? That is Nepal. That is Nepal. And after that again in Indian state known as Sikkim, and after that the Himalayan range in which country? That is another country, Bhutan, and in the last again Indian state, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So Mount Everest, this is in Nepal. Okay, the Himalayas range is also in Nepal. So where is Mount Everest, this highest peak present? It is present in Nepal, not in India. In India highest peak is, I already explained you, Kanchenjunga. ठीक है, जो कंचनजंगा है that is the India highest peak, but Mount Everest is in Nepal. So this is false. So this answer is false. Is it clear? Next, fourth, terrace forming is very popular in Himalayas. So when we are discussing the different ranges, of a Himalayas, it is studied in 3 ranges: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. So it is saying that terrace farming is very popular in Himalayas. Yes, where the mountains having, so this is the right answer. I already explained you where the mountains having slope, ऐसे माउंटेन जिनमें स्लोप बहुत ज्यादा है, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा स्लोप है, तो इन दैट एरिया हाउ द फार्मर्स आर डूइंग कल्टिवेशन, they are doing cultivation by step cutting the mountains, cutting the hills. Okay, where the slope is on the mountains, so what the farmer are doing, they are cutting step by step and doing the farming in that area. So this is true, this is true. Next, fifth question is Tarai are flat marshy area flat marshy areas found in Himalayas. So student, I have already explained you तराई आर फ्लैट मार्शी एरिया फाउंड इन हिमालयाज. तराई क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने आप लोग को एक्सप्लेन करके विद पिक्चर डायग्राम बताया था व्हेन आई टीच दिस व्हाट इज तराई एरिया, बट हियर इट इज इन जस्ट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, तो डायरेक्टली डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तराई आर फ्लैट मार्शी एरिया फाउंड इन हिमालय, सो यस स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द राइट आंसर, ट्रू. इट मीन्स द सॉइल इज वेरी वेट. जो यहाँ की जो सॉइल होती है उसमें वाटर बहुत ज्यादा होता है, बहुत गीली सॉइल होती है, और जब वाटर ज्यादा होता है सॉइल में तो वो क्या होती है, दलदली होती है. इज इट क्लियर? तो इस टाइप का एरिया तराई एरिया आर फ्लैट मार्शी एरिया फाउंड इन हिमालयास. यस, इट इज ट्रू, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ एरियाज आर फाउंड इन हिमालयास. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था ना, इससे पहले क्या है, बहुत ज्यादा ग्रेवल है, बहुत पत्थर हैं, रॉक्स हैं, स्मॉल बिग ये सब बहुत है. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन इट इंटर इनटू द लैंड एरिया, सो व्हाट हैपन, द सॉइल ऑफ दैट एरिया इज अ वेरी वेट. उस एरिया की जो सॉइल है बहुत ही वेट है, गीली है, ठीक है, तो उसमें वाटर क्या है, बहुत ज्यादा है, दलदली मिट्टी है. तो दैट इज ट्रू. तराई आर फ्लैट मार्शी एरिया फाउंड इन हिमालयास, दैट इज ट्रू. Note down. And after that, short answer questions. Take out your classwork copy. Now student, take out your classwork copy, write the date 4 August 4/8/2020, chapter name, write chapter 12 and name of the chapter. And after that, first question you can write from the book. First question you will write from the book. Short answer questions. Okay, we are solving short answer questions. Now what is the first question? What is the first question? Name the trees found in Himachal range. Okay, you have to tell the name of the trees which are found in Himachal range. Note down the question. Name the trees found in the Himachal range. Note down the answer. The trees found in Himachal range are pine, oak, devdar, and fir. Is it clear? So what is the question? The question is that name the trees found in the Himachal range. Is it clear? So we have to write the names of the tree which are found in Himachal range. The trees found in Himachal range are pine, oak, devdar and fir tree. And student, these are also known as trees of फॉरेस्ट ऑफ कॉन्फ्यूरस ट्री. बताया होगा तुम लोग को पढ़ाते समय चैप्टर में. कॉन्फ्यूरस ट्री के फॉरेस्ट भी बोलते हैं. वाई द नेम इज नोन एज कॉन्फ्यूरस ट्री? बिकॉज द शेप ऑफ द ट्री इज लाइक अ कोन. इन ट्रीज की शेप क्या है? कोन की तरह. जैसे आप लोग क्रिसमस ट्री बनाते हो ट्रायंगल शेप में करके, सो कोनिकल है. ओके. एंड रेनफॉल भी बहुत होती है यहाँ पे एंड स्नोफॉल भी होती है. सो द लीव्स आर स्लैंट, निडल लाइक स्लैंट होती हैं, सो दैट द रेन वाटर एंड द स्नो स्लाइड फ्रॉम द लीव्स एंड फेल डाउन इन द ग्राउंड. इज इट क्लियर? सो नोट डाउन द ट्रीज फाउंड इन हिमाचल range are pine, oak, devdar and fir tree. Now next question, why do we find no trees or plants in Himadri? Very simple, anyone can give the answer. Question is, why we do not found any trees in Himadri range? Because what is the reason, student? Reason is that this range is always covered with the snow. ये रेंज हमेशा किससे? बर्फ से ढकी रहती है. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन. सो यू कैन राइट सेकेंड आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन 2, why do we why do we why do we why do we find no trees? Why do we find no trees or plants in Himadri? So note down the answer, student. We find no tree or plants in Himadri because 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 mountains are always covered covered with स्नो. इज इट क्लियर? अभी जस्ट मैंने आप लोग को आंसर लिखने से पहले वी डिस्कस द आंसर दैट व्हाई डू वी फाइंड नो ट्रीज और प्लांट इन हिमाद्री. हिमाद्री इज द most is also known as greater Himalayas. Himadri is also known as greater Himalayas. Is it clear, student? So this in this range whole year you will see the mountains are covered with the snow. That is the reason no tree or plant in Himadri range, because mountains are always covered with snow. Is it clear? Note down the answer. I hope you have written the answer. We find no trees or plants in Himadri because mountains are always covered with snow. Now, next question. Who were the first two persons to climb Mount Everest? Question number 3. Who were the question number 3. First two people. Who were the first who were the first two people to climb Mount Everest? Who were the first two people to climb Mount Everest? I hope all of you know the two peoples. Firstly, who climbed Mount Everest? What were their names? Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing, Norway, were the first two persons to climb Mount Everest. So, Sir Edmund Hillary, he is from New Zealand, and Sherpa Tenzing, Norway, he is from China. Is it clear? So, note down the answer. Answer. Sir Edmund Hillary. Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norway. Were the first two people to climb Mount Everest. Is it clear? Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norway were the first two people to climb Mount Everest. Thank you, student, and have a nice day.